No, sir. This is not good.
I just see it, people. See it. It's a good look. What you say?
No,
One Trevor Sparks.
Yeah, man, Trevor Sparks, man. Big up United States, man, because you don't know how their family them there.
Straight.
But you don't know, so we never know about racism. And since we got five, we know about racism. I like me to tell my brother.
Yeah.
I like me to tell Rastafari.
Racism man of food.
I don't know about them things there. See?
Racism man of our culture.
See? At them, put racism in my head, because I never know about them things there.
Great.
You see what I say, my brother?
No,
Because the man locked up for nothing at all and say about me, them fine drugs and where. I like the more them tell for me. And then want me to go testify, tell life and my own Jamaican brother. See? I can't do that because they will kill my family.
Yeah.
Say something say alright, I send me to prison for when I tell me say that. Yeah, I play guilty and say yo, they say drugs. I say what kind of drugs you got me for? They not no drugs. They say weed.
Weed.
6 bag of weed. They say 6 bag of weed. I'm not no weed. I'm a tax return I have in my pocket.
Look,
$1,500 I locked up for. I say they find 6 bag of weed. Yeah. I say yo. That's why I say yo.
a stupidness that.
Yeah. No one of that. Besides they don't have body camera. Cause them time they never have body camera.
No body camera them time.
No.
So all them manage for do that.
Because we just come from work. And I say we don't live with spot me live.
They want to know your location.
See? But they know my location and that's how I live. See?
They might choose a
They
different
say
location.
I know that's how me live.
Okay.
I'm to testify for a man who I don't know about.
Oh.
Like they want me to kill all my family. Then they say,
Joking.
yo, guess what?
10 year jail.
Send me do what you want to do.
Yeah.
Because I have to play
Send me
guilty
a
and I
yard.
have to tell
Send me a
you.
yard.
I say play guilty and send me do what you want to do.
Send me a yard.
Say, them say Jamaica, I say no problem.
Then they bet yes. But no, for them I live like that.
I see me see away.
Yeah,
I
clean.
live
That's
alright.
what they're for. Clean.
See away.
Clean.
Because we don't know about racism.
Clean, Miss Emma.
A cleanness we know about.
Yeah.
See what I look? Clean. So clean. You see away clean.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So you see,
Just
so
remember.
they can't hold you down.
No.
So right now you get a chance to go back. I go back.
Well, it depends because so me and my grandkids them and grandkids them grew up here now still.
How
No.
much grandkids you have?
Yeah. Me have around 6 of them up there.
What? I
Grandkids.
say you're
up
going to
there.
America, Trevor?
Yeah, me have around. Now,
So, well, go on fire.
I have 3 daughters.
On the back of you.
3 daughters. See?
Oh yeah, I said Trevor.
I
I
want
say you're
some.
going to America.
So we still alright still.
But your family there America, man.
Yeah. Then I mean one daughter Jamaica, brother. I mean one daughter
Them boy
Jamaica.
Trump can't do you no family.
No man. No man, but yo, you see much
All you
speed.
go and pick them
Let-
America.
let tell you something.
Trump can't do them no one fucking.
I tell you something about
You hear that?
See?
If you're an immigrant, you know, you
Yo.
get fucking America. You know. That's the way you say.
I tell you something about me, you know. Company where me working at Federal,
Well, them Trevor.
America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I equipment me fit up, you know, man. For the army, you know, man. That boy nothing know that, you know.
Yeah.
See? They don't know what they're missing.
Yeah.
You see, for my supervisor, he love me like cook food.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Because when I come in a morning time, make sure I start out my things, say, yo, a certain amount of equipment I put on rack, you know.
Yeah.
The man they respect me, you know.
See me.
Big up John. See,
Yeah.
and Mike and them, man.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Real.
The move on planet
Yeah,
Earth.
man.
The base of place you come from Colombia, you know, Trevor.
We don't want to hear about the weed, because we never deal with
You
weed.
got America,
You understand?
I hear that.
See-
Hold on.
We smoke weed, but
Yeah.
we don't sell weed like
Yeah.
what them talk about, we sell.
Yeah.
No, at them up there, have up there sell down.
Yeah.
And then lock me up feet. You say them wicked. Eh? No fire, look for it.
The best weed come
And them
from
up there
America.
selling weed down and then I say lock me up for weed to get me deported.
Trevor.
You know what machine them build by Iraq
Trevor.
and create and them blood clot.
May I ask you one question?
Eh? Enough machine they build give them, you know.
Eh?
Send an army, you know.
Yeah, man.
They go kill our people up down there, you know. Nah,
So, Trevor.
man. That's right, sure.
Which country are best weed? Best Yeah, best weed in America. Colombia or Jamaica.
I don't know about that.
This one I weed the best weed in
I
America.
don't know about them things, brother. I don't know about them things. I work me at talk about. You understand me?
Yeah, you hear the Yankee them say.
I don't know about them things because I don't sell it.
You don't hear the Yankee them
I
say.
don't sell it. I don't like that. I try to tell you,
The
brother.
weed you smoke.
You understand,
I know
fire?
about weed. I know about weed.
We do a different thing.
We know about America. I know about weed.
This is what I talk about. You just say, well, I smoke weed. I don't know about selling weed.
Not see you
I'm not selling it, but they tell me about weed, but I don't know about them things, brother. I don't know about them things. I know say me smoke weed. We go buy weed to smoke. Me and my friend them saying because that keep the vibes going. See? And deal with love. See?
Where's the idea, Trevor?
No, but I deal with culture and I deal with fuck. I deal with sick man.
Oh, we play the ball. He must say.
I like play ball on Sunday.
Yeah.
See?
But me I say what
Oh, you
it
don't
can do.
depend that no way.
You said today on Friday.
Yeah.
Trevor no want to hear that on Friday.
You know what I talk about? I feel me depend on the birds that talk to me, brother. I violate still. See?
Yo. Alright.
I deal with some culture, a reality where I talk about.
One out of there.
But I say my did them sick right now, see it there.
Yo. Now tell you. Ella, you know what I'm on in time? When last time we got up for 1 month?
Yeah.
When you have teeth.
You see when you go shoot parrot bush,
Yeah.
eh? When we take 2 cartridge from Uncle Prince, Uncle Prince said 2 cartridge, he said, I don't want 1, 2, son. I don't know, say, I star gun at the time there, you know. You see when me and them boy go a bush, and we watch till the parrot them come down in the can feel good, you know. And when they, no man, I want like a shotgun man, 1 cartridge going ahead, man. And when this parrot them settle down good, I'm going to say, fling a piece of tick in there now, fling a piece of tick, and then fling the tick in there, you see, sir? And the blood clot sitting there, come up like, so boom! All 40, 50. With the 1 blood clean shot with boss man. All when you walk from here, so, go like all way now. We up, so, you can't find boat drop. You see, body up, you understand, sir?
Flatter.
See, you see, from them days, then my boss man, me used to Uncle Prince, long gun. You see, in a district. Look for me good. Look for me blood clot good. Look for anywhere I make me a bruise. You understand, sir? No man not trouble me a Wakefield Trelawney, you know, sir? You know, through the know me as from boy days.